Hi friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring an online exclusive called Fragrant Layers. It is a floral, but I'm going to use it in a different way. So this is in the color part of the two-step stamping. There's a black line and then there's this color. I'm just going to use sort of this stamp only. So I'm inking up with Flirty Flamingo, and I am coming in with Peach Pie on a finger dauber. So I have a piece of basic white, regular stamping weight paper for my stamping. And this is a bigger block, FYI. So there is my two-toned flowers. They're giving me sort of a, I don't know, like a Hawaiian vibe, kind of. I really dig them. There is a loose flower running around, and I've inked that up with, again, the Flirty Flamingo, going in with the Peach Pie and creating this beautiful sort of a pinky orange flower. And this again is from the Fragrant Leaves. All right, now all the stamping is done except for the sentiment, and I am using the Just a Note sentiment, and that is Secret Sea. All right, so we're going to do a little splattering. So this is my Peach Pie ink pad, and I'm sort of squashing that pad to the lid. And then I will get out my water painter, and you could use just some water and a paintbrush, or you can use a marker, and I'll show two ways of doing this. So a little bit of water to thin out the ink just a tad so it flicks off of my paintbrush, and tapping to create little speckles. It gives an ethereal look to the image, and yeah, just adds a little extra something. So if you have a marker, you can take the nib and flick it in the lid. The nib in the lid, and you can get the same effect. So this is Flirty Flamingo cardstock, and I am just using my Seal Plus adhesive to adhere this page to my front of the card. So I am trying to decorate the inside of cards, and I always say that this is a New Year's intention. I don't like the resolution, but I am trying. So I decorated the inside of my flowers with the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearls. That is going to get the, it looks like they are strawberry slush and the peach pie colors. It went well with the Flirty Flamingo as well. So on the inside of the card, again, I just used a smaller piece of the basic white. Sometimes I actually have just regular copy paper as well to put on the inside. And I'm going to do just one simple flower that I had done before. So I will leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you so very much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment, and I will be back on Wednesday. Bye for now.